take the tail off the shrimp because if you leave tail on your shrimp when you're cooking it, you are a psychopath because that makes no sense. Like, why would you do something like that? Hey guys, it's Kia. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. I want to do something different. I didn't want to do vlogs every day just because I don't be doing enough in my day and that would get really repetitive and boring. So why not jazz it up? Today I'm actually going to be cooking. This is my first time cooking on this channel, so I'm excited. And it's my first time attempting to cook this dish the proper way. But I've been craving it for a few days now. And today I actually want to make some sesame chicken because I've been craving it for the past few days. I was gonna make like some shrimp fried rice to go along with it, but I don't think I want to. I think I'm just gonna make like some sesame chicken and then maybe put some like shrimp in it. Is sesame shrimp a thing? I don't know. I have zero clue how to make this. I know what it entails because I love Asian food, so I know most Asian food uses rice vinegar, which I got this from Harris Teeter. I got rice vinegar, I got sesame oil, I got soy sauce, and I got brown sugar. I got oil, I got vinegar, like distilled vinegar just in case I might need it. But the one thing I do not have is ginger. I forgot to get the ginger because I thought I had some. Turns out I have nutmeg and not ginger. And I don't have minced garlic. I have garlic cloves I can just cut up and like use that as garlic, but it's just not gonna be the same because it's not minced, but whatever. I don't think I want to follow the directions just because I never do, and that's probably why I be fucking stuff up half the time, but I just don't want to do that right now, so I don't think I am. We're just gonna wing it and, you know, see what we come up with. It might be fun, you never know. I actually have this chicken that's been marinating for like 2 days now because I was gonna eat it last night. I changed my mind, didn't want to eat it no more. So now it's just sitting here. It should be nice and like flavorful. So that's nice. I'm gonna take the shrimp out because I do want shrimp today. And I'm just about to get started. I just hope that it comes out good because if I waste all this time cooking this food I've been craving for days now, it's nasty, I'm gonna have a fit. So the shrimp I got from Harris Teeter was this cooked shrimp. It's this one. I wanted the uncooked shrimp, but when I was in there looking, they didn't have any. And I was also growing really impatient because I had been out and about all day and I was ready to come home. So I couldn't find it and I didn't feel like looking for it any harder than what I was. So this is what we're using. Okay, I had to close my blinds a little so y'all could see better. But this is just what we're gonna be working with today. Oh, I love the angle. I love it. Okay. Like I said, I don't know what the hell I'm doing, but we're just gonna try and see what we come up with. We got a little pan. We're gonna cook the chicken in that pan. We're gonna turn it on. I'm about to put it on like a medium heat. Y'all need too much. Ain't a lot of chicken. It's a little piece of chicken. And I'm gonna close that on up. Get this moving around the pan. What I don't want to hear is anyone talk about how I can't cook because I'm trying. I don't know what I'm doing. But we're just gonna make some shit shake. This is the chicken. It's been marinated and it looks so good. It's gonna taste so good. I'm gonna let that heat up. While that's getting hot, I'm also gonna get a different pan to put the sauce in. I'm gonna make the sauce in this pan. Y'all see the one with the chicken in it? Y'all need to see what the chicken's cooking like. It doesn't matter. Now, I'm not sure what I need to put in the pan first. I'm pretty sure, if anything, I think the sesame oil and the soy sauce will need to go in first. Get that to a nice little simmer and then add the brown sugar and the rice vinegar and then let that all marinate. I got some honey because I like honey and I thought about putting some in there, but I don't know. Y'all, I don't know. Okay, so I'm pretty sure that's about ready. So I'm about to, honestly, I need to unthaw this damn shrimp. I'm tripping. Boom. In a bowl. Unthawing. Getting this life together. I don't know. I'm supposed to make it in this pot or if I make it in a separate bowl, but we're gonna just fake it until we make it. Like, I can cook, but when it comes to somebody being around me as I'm trying to cook, I tend to get nervous. So now that I'm filming this, I'm getting nervous. Like, I know I don't know what I'm doing, but like, I wouldn't be as nervous if I wasn't trying to film this and put this on YouTube, and then I fuck up, and then everybody's like, oh, this hoe can't cook, and then I'm like, I actually can. Okay, my grease is hot. I'm about to take the chicken, let it drip off a little bit, because I do not want this shit popping on me for real. Gonna sit that in there, lovely. I don't really want it too crispy. Hope y'all can hear me over that. I might just cook that and just feed through everything else. I don't know. On this side, hopefully you guys can hear me over that. On this side, I'm scared. I'm not gonna turn the eye on yet. I'm gonna put some soy sauce. Not too much because you know it's supposed to be salty. Get a cup of water. Okay, that's good for right now. Not sure how much rice vinegar to put in there, so I'm gonna start off simple with like a capful. I should have read the directions, so if it comes out nasty, I'm gonna be a little upset, but I can only be upset at myself, so. The sesame oil, I'm gonna do 1 cup at first. Okay, it's not filling up the cap, so we're just gonna eyeball it. That looks decent. I don't know how much that was. I don't know. Now we're going to turn it on. I always forget which one is the front, which one is the back. Woo! It popped me. I love garlic, so I'm going to take 3. Is that 3 or 4? 4 cloves. Cut them up, put them in there. Because I love garlic. If you know me, you know I love garlic. I changed the angle a bit just so y'all can see the chicken. I just love the little coat on it. There's grease popping everywhere, but that's okay. My soy sauce is over here. I need a thing. My soy sauce is over here heating up. It smells good. I got the garlic in there doing what needs to be done. I'm about to take that chicken out and cut up into some small pieces and then throw that shrimp in there. Let the shrimp cook a little bit. Now I'm going to add a little bit of the brown sugar because it's simmering. Don't know how much. Might have been too much. Might have been too much. Taking the chicken off of the eye. And we're going to cut the eye down to low. And take the pot off of there as well. Now I'm about to cut up the chicken. And let that pan cool off before I put the shrimp in there. Because I don't want it to burn. And also because I'm going to put the chicken back in there too. To cook the sides of it and the insides of it. Because I like all sides of the chicken to be this crispy. I got the little eye right here. I'm going to put a little bit more oil in it and cut it back up. Not too high though because the shrimp is already cooked. Put a teeny bit more oil. The one thing I hate about cooking like this, like sauteing the chicken with the oil, it's just how it pops and it gets all over the stove and then the stove looks nasty. I don't like that. So we got this over here simmering. We're going to give that a nice little stir. And I want to add some more what? Soy sauce and water. I really hope that not having the ginger doesn't make too big of a difference. A little bit more water than that. This should be enough. But now I'm going to get some more brown sugar to pour the water out of my shrimp since it should be unthawed by now. I know people say you shouldn't put water in shrimp to unthaw that way, but like this cooked shrimp, so I don't think it makes that much of a difference. And I haven't dyed yet, and I do it all the time, so I'm gonna do what I do. I'm gonna take the tail off the shrimp because if you leave tail on your shrimp when you're cooking it, you are a psychopath because that makes no sense. Like, why would you do something like that? Y'all can't even see what I'm doing. I'm taking the shrimp, taking the tail, throwing the tail away. Taking the shrimp, taking the tail, throwing the tail away. Taking the shrimp, taking the tail, throwing the tail away. Now we're going to slide that all back in there. Okay, we got this simmering now. I put the flour in there and it's thickening up. It's doing what it's supposed to do. Then it said to take this and put this in there and let it simmer some more. This is what this looks like. It's just chicken and shrimp in here. So I'm about to gradually just throw them bitches in the sauce. I think I overestimated how much this actually was because there's so much fucking sauce in this pot. And I got like 3 pieces of chicken and 4 pieces of shrimp. I'm just gonna toss that. I had some sesame seeds, but I have no clue where they went. Like literally, no clue where they are. Oh, this shit about to be good. It don't even look like sesame chicken. It looks more like teriyaki chicken and shrimp. So maybe that's what I'm gonna say it is when I make the title and the thumbnail, because this don't really look like sesame chicken. I'm gonna say it's teriyaki chicken and call it a day. Let that simmer for a little bit more, and I'm about to get the rest of my little shit together. I'm about to clean up because you know you clean as you cook, so you don't try to mess. So by the time everything is done and it's ready to go, my kitchen will be clean. Okay, all I have to say is look at this. I'm proud of myself. I originally wasn't gonna put no broccoli in it, but the more I looked at it, I was just like, yeah, this babes, this is not sesame chicken. This is teriyaki, and I can just throw some broccoli in there if I wanna. So I did. But look at it, it looks so good. It's just simmering. I actually made the perfect amount of sauce since I put the broccoli in there. All I did was steam it. But do y'all see? I wish y'all could just like see how crispy the chicken is. Look at the color on that. Like, I've never had food come out looking this pretty before. Like on camera, this shit is pretty. And then I got my rice. Where the fuck did I put it? Oh. I got my rice. It's this Thai jasmine rice. Yes, I've been eating it already. Mind your business. But look at it. It's so pretty. I'm about to plate it up. Because, but I tried to show it before I put it on the plate. Because look how pretty it is. Just look at it. Y'all, all I gotta say is, I did that. I got some like shrimp and shit in the corners. But just look at it. I did that. Let's taste it. Y'all, can't nobody tell me I can't cook. That's one thing you can't tell me I can't cook. Look at a piece of shrimp. I'm a fucking top chef. It's so good. Like, all jokes aside, this shit hit. It's not sesame chicken. It's definitely more teriyaki chicken. Like, all the way teriyaki chicken. But this shit is so good. Yeah. Yeah. I did that. I'm about to sit here and eat, enjoy my food, and just chill out the rest of the day. I don't have much to do. But I hope y'all enjoyed this impromptu video of me just, I don't know, doing nothing today. Cooking and sitting down to watch some YouTube and minding my business. So that's it for today's Vlogmas, vlog, episode, whatever. I will see you guys tomorrow for day 3.